English you can live in. Voice chef. I say. Start oven at 350. Timer sets. Alerts pop swiftly. Cooking modes change with my voice, steam or roast. I have the choice. The mixer starts without a hand. Lights blink green. It's also planned. Alerts tell me when food is done. I check apps while having fun. Voice commands run my smart home kitchen. No paper timers, no old school switching. Cooking feels easy, fast, and neat. Digital helpers make meals a treat. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.